In this video, I'm going to show you how to redact in Xodo. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Document tab up top, and then here it says Redact. So simply, you want to click on that, and then you want to select Mark for Redaction. Whenever you do this, you can then go ahead and mark the text you want to redact, or any object you want to redact in your document. So for example, if I go ahead and just highlight over this text, it's going to be marked for redaction, and if I hover over it, it's going to show me how the applied redaction is going to work. Now, of course, you can do this for any text inside your document however you like, or if it's not text but for example some symbols like this, you could go and just draw rectangles around them like that. There we go, very simple, and it's going to allow you to redact that as well. Now whenever you're ready, whenever you're done with your redactions, you can go ahead and click on up here and click on apply all redactions, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to apply all redactions in the document? Just click on OK, and there we go. As you can see, these things have now been redacted. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.